See the name of my shop. See address. Oh. See the address. Oh. See the address. Oh. See the address. Oh. See it. Oh. This is my shop. Oh. You people should come, please. See it. Oh. See it. I'm tired. You people should come. You people should come. You people should come. You people should come. Government help me. Government help me. Shaman of Ogun. You people should do something. You people should do something. You people should do something. See my shop. 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 See my shop.
National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control. Oh wait, have they changed the F to fabric? Because I'm seriously trying to understand how NAFDAC and clothes are now related in Nigeria. You see, Igbos are some of the most hardworking people in Nigeria. Everybody knows this. They hustle, they build, they invest, but somehow they always seem to be on the receiving end of situations like this. This video making the rounds is truly heartbreaking. It's just so sad, really sad to see someone's hard-earned business go down the drain, and worse, at the hands of those who are supposed to be protecting us. Okay, now, a trader at Onitsha Main Market in Anambra State has been caught on camera crying bitterly, claiming that NAFDAC officials looted her shop. We saw it happen months ago. Now let's take a step back, because I remember months ago when NAFDAC officials locked down shops in Onitsha. The outcry was just too loud. I made a video about Peter Obi addressing these traders in Onitsha months ago over the same issue, how NAFDAC officials came to Onitsha and locked down every single shops. Shops were being locked down by NAFDAC officials supposedly in their mission to crack down on fake drugs. But back then, it wasn't funny at all. Igbos lashed out, calling on NAFDAC to focus on those involved and not punish everyone indiscriminately. It got so serious that Peter Obi himself had to step in. And now this. If it was really NAFDAC who did this, then the question is, are they now after everything fake, not just drugs? Because at this rate, don't be surprised if we wake up one morning to hear that NAFDAC is now raiding homes for fake furniture or fake televisions. But well, this is still an allegation, my people. Let's wait and see how this unfolds.